Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Candy Crush Saga game on your PC. So let's get started right away. If you're on Windows 10 and above, then you have access to the Microsoft Store. So just go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store on your PC, and once the application is opened up, you can simply click on the search box and then type in Candy Crush. Now from the search results, click on Candy Crush Saga and this will take you to the official page of the game. Click on the Install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Candy Crush Saga game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete. Now once the application is installed, simply click on the play button and this will open up the Candy Crush Saga game on your PC. You can now immediately start playing the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Candy Crush Saga game on your PC. How to download the Candy Crush Saga on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then just go ahead and open up the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And now just tap on the search box and type in Candy Crush. Now start the search, and once you find the Candy Crush Saga application, you can tap on the Install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Candy Crush Saga application on your smartphone. Wait for a while until the installation is complete. Now once the application is installed, you can tap on the play button and this will open up Candy Crush Saga on your smartphone. And you can immediately start playing or recover your progress from your previous save. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Candy Crush Saga application on your smartphone. How to log into your existing account and access all of your save games on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't have the Candy Crush Saga application installed already, then you will want to open up the Microsoft App Store and then search for the game and download it from there. Once the game is downloaded and installed, you can simply use the search feature on Windows to search for the game and open it up. Now after you pass the loading screen, you have two options, either to immediately start playing or to retrieve your progress. So click on Retrieve My Progress, and then you have two options once again. You can either sign up with your email address or continue with Facebook. Make sure you choose whichever option you used when creating your account in the first place to access all of your save files. So I'm going to click on Continue with Facebook. Now you will be asked to log in to your Facebook account. So just go ahead and type in your login credentials, including your email address and your password, and click on the login button. You will then receive a notification if you have previously logged in to Candy Crush Saga with your Facebook account. Just click on the Continue button and then this will log you in to your existing account on Candy Crush. Now close the welcome screen by tapping on the Close button, and now when you click on the Play button, your game will continue from where you last left it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Candy Crush.
How to update the Candy Crush application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If your Candy Crush application is not working as it should, then it's probably because you haven't updated the application to the latest version. So in order to fix this, just go ahead and open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Now once you open it up, you can simply search for Candy Crush on the search box and you will find the Candy Crush application. Now since our application is not fully updated to the latest version, we can see the update button. So in order to update, just go ahead and tap on it and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates. Just wait for a while until this is completed, and then once you see the play button, you can just go ahead and tap on it and this will open your newly updated Candy Crush application. How to delete your friends on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up the Candy Crush application. So just go ahead and open it up.
Now, once the application is opened up, you will see the Play and the My Account button. Just go ahead and tap on the Play button and you will now be taken to the level selector screen. Now from this screen, tap on your account icon at the very top in the middle. And this will then open up your profile page. Now from the profile page, tap on the Friends tab and you will be shown all of your friends on Candy Crush. Now in order to remove any friend, you can simply tap on their name. And then you will see three options. You can either send or request for a life, or you can unfriend this person. Just tap on the unfriend option and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to unfriend this person. Just tap on the yes button and this person will be removed as your friend on Candy Crush Saga.
How to report a problem on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up the Candy Crush application. So just go ahead and open it up.
Now, once the application is opened up, you can tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Now, once the settings menu is opened up, tap on the question mark at the bottom and now the help center will open up. You can just scroll down and look at the frequently asked questions and solutions to frequent errors. Just tap on the relevant issue that you are having and you will find the solutions that you can try. In case the solution doesn't work for you, you can scroll all the way down and then tap on the Contact Us button. You will then be asked to enter your email address, your full name, and then select the kind of issue that you're having. After selecting your issue from the drop-down menu, you can type in specifically what you need help with and then tap on the Submit button, and this will send a report to the Candy Crush developer team.
How to change your name on Candy Crush Saga game. So let's get started right away.
First of all, just go ahead and open up the Candy Crush Saga application, and this will take you to the home page. Now from this page, just go ahead and tap on the Play button and you will be taken to the level selector. From the level selection screen, tap on your account icon at the top in the very middle. This will now open up your profile settings. Now right alongside your picture, you will be able to find your name. At the left side of this, you will find the Edit button, which is shaped like a pen. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you will be allowed to change your name. Now just type in your desired username and then tap on the Save button. And immediately your name on Candy Crush will be changed.
How to turn off hints on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're just going to want to open up the Candy Crush application. So go ahead and open it up.
Now, once you open up the application, you will be taken to the home screen. Now, once you're on the home screen, you can see the gear icon at the bottom left corner. So just go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the settings menu. Now, from the settings menu, just tap on the features option and you will be able to see the hints tab. Now, all you need to do is toggle on the hints button and this will turn off your hints on the Candy Crush game. Now, if you go ahead and play any level, you will see that you will no more be shown any hints. How to uninstall the Candy Crush Saga game from your PC. So let's get started right away. If you have installed the Candy Crush Saga on your PC from the Microsoft App Store, then in order to uninstall it, simply use the search box and search for Candy Crush. Now, once you find the application, you will see the uninstall button at the right side at the very end. Simply go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked whether you want to remove this application. Click on the uninstall button once again, and now you see that Candy Crush is being uninstalled. Just wait for a while until this process is completed, and then the game will be uninstalled from your system. If you wish to install it again, you can always go back to the Microsoft Store and then search for it and simply click on the install button, and it will once again be installed on your system. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to uninstall Candy Crush from your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.